Ever wondered how long it takes for your money to travel at the speed of light? Sounds like a riddle, right? Well, in a way, it kind of is. We're talking about lightspeed payments, and while your actual money doesn't literally zip across the network at light speed, the concept is all about speed and efficiency. So, how long does a lightspeed payment take? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the specifics, let's clarify what we mean by lightspeed payment. It's not a scientifically accurate term, obviously. Money doesn't physically travel at the speed of light. What we're really talking about are payment systems designed for incredibly fast transaction processing. These systems leverage technology to minimize the time it takes for a payment to be authorized, processed, and settled. Think of it like this. Traditional payment methods can sometimes feel like traveling by horse-drawn carriage, while lightspeed payments are more like hopping on a high-speed train. The destination is the same, your money moving from one account to another, but the journey is significantly faster. So, what makes a payment system lightspeed? Several factors contribute to the overall speed of a transaction. One key element is the underlying infrastructure. Modern payment systems rely on robust, high-bandwidth networks that can handle massive volumes of transactions in real time. Think of the internet's backbone. It's designed to move data quickly and efficiently. Lightspeed payment systems tap into this infrastructure to ensure rapid communication between different parties involved in a transaction. Another critical factor is the level of automation. Manual processes, like verifying signatures or manually entering data, can significantly slow down transactions. Lightspeed payment systems prioritize automation, minimizing human intervention and streamlining the entire process. This means less waiting around for someone to approve or process your payment. Everything is handled electronically, from initiation to settlement. Security also plays a crucial role, perhaps counterintuitively. While you might think that added security checks would slow things down, the opposite is often true. Advanced security measures like tokenization and encryption can actually speed up transactions by reducing the risk of fraud. When systems are confident in the legitimacy of a transaction, they can process it more quickly. Now, let's get to the burning question. How long does it actually take? The answer, as with many things in life, is it depends. Several variables can influence the processing time of a lightspeed payment. These include the specific payment system being used, the type of transaction, and even the banks involved. For instance, some lightspeed payment systems boast transaction times of just a few seconds. That's incredibly fast, especially compared to traditional methods that can take days to clear. These near-instantaneous transactions are often facilitated by technologies like real-time payment networks. These networks allow for immediate transfer of funds between accounts 24/7. Imagine paying for your coffee and the money leaving your account and arriving in the coffee shop's account within seconds. That's the power of real-time payments. However, not all lightspeed payments are created equal. Some transactions might involve additional checks or verifications, which can add a bit of time. For example, large transactions might require extra security measures to prevent fraud. Cross-border payments can also take longer due to currency exchange and international regulations. Even with these added checks, lightspeed payments are still significantly faster than traditional international transfers, which can sometimes take days or even weeks. Another factor that can influence processing time is the integration of the payment system with the merchant systems. If a merchant's systems are not well integrated, it can create bottlenecks and slow down the payment process. Think of it like a highway with a sudden lane closure. Traffic backs up quickly. Similarly, if a merchant's systems are not optimized for high-speed processing, it can create delays. The banks involved in the transaction also play a role. Different banks have different processing capabilities and cutoff times. If one of the banks involved in a transaction is using older technology, it can slow down the entire process. It's like having one slow car in a group of fast cars. Everyone has to slow down to keep pace. So, while it's difficult to give a precise answer to the question of how long a lightspeed payment takes, it's safe to say that it's significantly faster than traditional payment methods. In many cases, you can expect transactions to be processed within seconds or minutes, rather than hours or days. This speed and efficiency are transforming the way we pay for goods and services. making transactions more convenient and seamless. The rise of lightspeed payments is also driving innovation in the financial industry. New payment systems are constantly being developed, pushing the boundaries of speed and efficiency. We're seeing the emergence of mobile wallets, contactless payments, and other technologies that are further accelerating the payment process. These innovations are making it easier and faster than ever to send and receive money. The benefits of lightspeed payments are numerous. For consumers, it means faster and more convenient transactions. No more waiting around for checks to clear or payments to be processed. For businesses, it means faster access to funds, improved cash flow, and reduced transaction costs. Lightspeed payments can also help businesses improve customer satisfaction by offering a seamless and efficient checkout experience. In conclusion, while the term lightspeed payment isn't literally accurate, it captures the essence of these fast and efficient payment systems. While the exact processing time can vary depending on several factors, these systems are designed to minimize transaction times, often processing payments within seconds or minutes. This speed and efficiency are transforming the financial landscape, making transactions faster, more convenient, and more secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.